Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus aluminum inverters. We'll explore the fundamental differences between these two common materials used in inverter construction. Understanding their distinct properties is crucial for selecting the best inverter for your specific needs. We'll cover conductivity, cost, weight, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. Copper is renowned for its excellent electrical conductivity, which means less energy is lost as heat during operation, leading to higher overall efficiency. This material also excels at dissipating heat, a critical factor for the longevity and stable performance of any inverter. Furthermore, copper connections are known for their robustness and resistance to corrosion, ensuring a more reliable and durable system over time. On the other hand, aluminum offers compelling advantages, particularly regarding weight and cost. Aluminum inverters are considerably lighter than their copper counterparts, which can significantly reduce shipping expenses and simplify installation. The material itself is also less expensive, translating into a more budget-friendly product for consumers. Its abundance and ease of processing also contribute to its widespread use in various electrical applications. When deciding between copper and aluminum inverters, consider your specific application. For systems where maximum efficiency and long-term durability are paramount and budget allows, copper might be the superior choice. However, if weight, initial cost, and ease of installation are higher priorities, aluminum presents a very attractive and practical alternative. Both materials have their place, offering distinct benefits depending on your project's unique requirements. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.